2 decades ago, East China's Zhejiang Province initiated the Green Rural Revival Program, selecting approximately 10,000 administrative villages out of 40,000 in the province to conduct comprehensive renovations. The project aimed to clean up dirty and messy environments in rural areas, focusing on sewage, garbage, and toilet management.
Hi everyone, I'm Catherine from the United States. I've been living in China for 5 years. At first, I was a master's student at Nanjing University studying environmental engineering, and now I work at an environmental organization called Green Zhejiang. I'm doing a 2,000-kilometer bike ride around Zhejiang Province, recording the changes that have happened over the past 20 years. Today I am at Tantou Village in Wuyi County, and I'm going to show you guys around, and we'll see what life is like here in this adorable little village.
In the past, Tantou Village's wetland was plagued by scattered garbage and sludge. The houses were dilapidated, some even on the verge of collapse. To improve the living environment, with support from the Green Rural Revival Program, Tangtou Village vigorously undertook proactive measures in sewage control and sludge management, implemented garbage classification, and promoted environmental awareness among the villagers. Additionally, they repurposed bricks from collapsed houses to renovate the dilapidated structures. Smart public toilets were also installed, ensuring regular maintenance and facilitating the convenience of the residents. Currently, Tantou Village enjoys pristine rivers, adorned with lush greenery along the riverbanks, where villagers often relax and enjoy recreational activities during their leisure time.
So I really love how this village has protected these buildings and maintained them so well. And I also love how clean this place is. Like, the bathrooms are record-breakingly clean, and in general, just the way they handle the trash separation and the water resources here and everything, it's just really, really clean and a great example for other villages looking to do a similar thing.